Can what you eat help lower levels of lead? Certain foods are being recommended for parents whose kids suffer from lead poisoning.
Yeah, but a researcher is now raising new questions. ABC 2 News' Nadia Singh with this important health alert.
Train.
When Tom and Yara got test results which showed their son Orion had high lead levels, they were shocked.
It was like my world fell apart. I thought I'd done everything correctly.
Of all things I thought that could happen to my son, this was the furthest thing from my mind.
Scouring the internet for information, they say diets high in calcium, iron, and vitamin C were the talk of the web.
It's one of the top results when you do searches online.
The diets are even recommended by the CDC. But researcher Katarzyna Cordes recently wrote in the Journal of Pediatrics questioning whether food can help prevent lead exposure or reduce lead blood levels.
There is a mismatch between the recommendations, the way that they are made, and the published scientific evidence.
According to Cordes, some research shows nutrients like iron may help keep lead out of the body, but she says it's less clear which specific foods may help.
There are no foods that we can say with confidence if your child eats these foods, they will have a lower blood lead level, or that it will help protect your child from lead exposure.
The CDC would not comment specifically on Cordes' commentary. It does stand by its dietary recommendations and told us lead-nutrient interaction data are limited and somewhat inconsistent, and more research is needed to better understand how vitamins, minerals, and food interact with lead.
I agree that further research is needed.
Look what Mummy has for you.
Meantime, Tom and Yara say it can never hurt to keep feeding Orion a well-balanced diet.
I already feed Orion such healthy foods.
Experts agree when it comes to lead poisoning, avoiding lead exposure in the first place is the best line of defense, and a healthy, well-balanced diet is essential for all children. Working for your health, Nadia Singh, ABC 2 News.